Okay, wonderful. Thank you. Now, Tatiana, go ahead. All right, thank you very much. Okay, great. So now that we all have given our final thoughts about motivation and we have answered the last question, now I want to close the encounter reminding how we are going to do it for next time. And reminding also because Joely came in a little late to the encounter, so she didn't get the information I gave at the beginning of the class. So remember that next week we have a week off because it's holiday, and we will be back the first week of April. In the next encounter, which is encounter number 4, we will have a debate. Okay, we will have a first week of April. I think encounter number 4 will be the week after Holy Week. Yeah. Next Tuesday we don't have class. The other one, week after Holy Week. Yes. Sometimes we do and sometimes we don't, depending on how time moves, and also depending on what other information I have to give you. Per se, today I had to give you information regarding the debate for the week after Holy Week. So on the chat, if you take a look at the chat, I sent some sentences, 2 sentences that are going to be the topics for encounter number 4, the debate. Okay? So I already explained to William and Tatiana how we are going to work it, and excuse me, I'm sorry. And so take a look at the sentences, and if you take a look at the sentences, they say one of them is, which is more important for young people nowadays, going to college or getting a job? So for you, you are going to talk about that for young people nowadays is more important going to college. Okay, Jorely? Yes, you will respond this question. And the second question, no. In encounter number 4. Some people say that students have an easy life, and what do you think? In this question, William and Tatiana already have their point of view straight, right? What you are going to talk about is how is life in general for students nowadays. So nowadays, how is their life? What do you think? How is it?